Hello, this is the first part of the Simuland version 4 series. In this video we're going to meet the minimum requirements for hardware, go step by step of the installation process and verify the application's authenticity. This new version of Simuland version 4 remains a freeware application. The software is intended for 64-bit versions of Windows 10 and 11 operating systems. The table chart shows minimal requirements for smooth performance of Simuland. As you can see, the program is not very demanding on processing power but more on memory size because it's primarily used when Simuland is working with graphics tools. Those allow you to work with multiple active windows simultaneously, also known as window docking. You can find the installation file on our website www.metel.eu and typing the keyword simuland into the search bar. Or you can find it manually by navigating through Product section into Software category. Once on the page of Product Simuland, scroll down, open the Sources tab. There you can find the latest drivers and software. Here click on the installation link. If you have an older Simuland version already installed on your system, we recommend to save and close any open projects before installation of the new version as it will close automatically without saving. The downloaded file can be opened right away in browser or in the Downloads folder and thus start the installation process. During the installation process you can choose the directory where the program will be installed. The rest of the installation is done automatically. When installing a new Simuland version, any older Simuland versions will be deleted. Any created projects, including passwords, will be transferred into the new version. That way we guarantee backwards compatibility with projects created in any older Simuland version. After the installation is complete, a new folder will be created where all your projects, its modifications, and downloaded configurations are going to be saved. If you want to verify authenticity of the software, you can check the digital signature that can be found in the file properties. Installation file is digitally signed. Operation system is then able to verify its authenticity. User is alerted in case of file corruption. Additionally, after starting Simuland, it automatically verifies the signature of application plus CRC of DLL files loaded during app startup. If the files are damaged, Simuland automatically alerts the user and shuts down. That is all for this video. We upload all of our videos on YouTube over time, so consider subscribing to our channel and becoming a regular viewer. Thank you for your attention and I'll be looking forward to seeing you in the next part where we continue with first run of the program.